Welcome to the Maestro Sersea podcast, where English learners worldwide learn and increase fluency in American English. As an English learner who moved to the United States of America more than 40 years ago, I began learning American English with the guidance and encouragement of my teachers. As an American English teacher, with over 30 years of experience teaching English learners in California, USA, I know that learning English is neither easy nor simple. Learning English takes discipline, motivation, and hard work. Let's work together to help you succeed.
Welcome to the Learn American English with Maestro Sersea podcast. For the next few months, our podcasts published on Mondays will include excerpts from Maestro Sersea's ebook, How to Improve English Speaking, an English Learner's Guide. In addition, during each Monday's episode, we'll also include an article based on the topics included in Maestro Sersea's published books on Amazon, titled Survival English in the United States of America, including a variety of topic-based vocabulary and conversation exercises. Are you ready? Let's begin.
You are listening to How to Improve English Speaking, an English Learner's Guide, an ebook by Maestro Sersea. Today, we are going to focus on the introduction. As an American English learner, are you comfortable speaking English in public? Is speaking English clearly and effectively important to you? For the next few minutes, you will hear a variety of tips and strategies to help you become more successful in your American English learning journey. Are you ready? Let's begin. Introduction. Have you ever wondered what sets fluent English speakers apart from non-fluent speakers? It's a question that often crosses the minds of English learners seeking to improve their speaking skills. In my book, How to Improve English Speaking, an English Learner's Guide, I will delve into the strategies and techniques that can help you become a confident and fluent English speaker. Identifying successful strategies is crucial for learning and improving English speaking skills. By understanding what makes a fluent English speaker, you can adopt similar strategies to enhance your own speaking abilities. In this book, we will explore these successful strategies and provide you with practical advice and exercises to help you improve your speaking skills. Fluency in English speaking is of utmost importance for English learners. It opens up a world of opportunities, from improved communication to increased job prospects and enhanced confidence. In this guide, we will delve into the advantages of fluency and show you how to attain it. One aspect of speaking skills that often confuses English learners is the difference between formal and informal speaking. Knowing when to use each style and the appropriate language and tone to employ is essential. Through examples and guidelines, this book will help you navigate both formal and informal speaking effectively. Speaking skills for phone conversations require a different set of techniques. Clear articulation, active listening, and effective conversation starters are essential for confident and effective communication over the phone. In this book, we will focus on these specific skills to help you communicate confidently in phone conversations. Personal conversations, such as social gatherings and everyday interactions, also require specific speaking skills. Initiating and maintaining conversations, expressing opinions, and engaging in small talk are all important aspects of personal communication. In How to Improve English Speaking, we will provide you with tips and techniques to excel in these situations. Job interviews can be nerve-wracking, especially when English is not your first language. This book will offer practical advice on how to prepare for interviews, answer common questions, and showcase your language proficiency and communication skills effectively to potential employers. In business and professional settings, effective speaking skills are vital. From presentations to active participation and professional language usage, this book will equip you with the necessary skills to excel in corporate environments. For academic settings, such as class presentations, group discussions, and debates, specific speaking skills are required. Organizing your thoughts, delivering impactful presentations, and engaging with classmates and professors are all important aspects of academic speaking. In this guide, we will provide you with strategies to succeed in these situations. Finally, in the last chapter, we will offer practical advice and exercises to help you improve your speaking skills. Techniques for practicing pronunciation, expanding vocabulary, and gaining confidence in oral communication will be covered in detail. Fluent speaking skills are the key to social and professional success. By improving your English speaking abilities, you can enhance personal relationships, advance in your career, and boost your self-esteem. In How to Improve English Speaking, an English Learner's Guide, we will inspire you to embark on your journey towards becoming a confident and fluent English speaker.
Greetings, everyone. For the next few months, we will share helpful articles on topics of interest in survival English, based on Maestro Sersea's book and ebook published on Amazon. Survival English in the United States of America 1A, Vocabulary and Conversation Exercises, At the Dentist, Shopping for Clothes, and the Importance of Mental Health, is the first in a series of books for English learners to improve American English vocabulary and comprehension important for daily living and interactions with others. In this book, students are encouraged to complete readings and exercises to develop a topic-specific vocabulary that is highly used in everyday situations here in the United States of America. English learners can improve their vocabulary by learning hundreds of words related to each topic and subtopics. In addition to learning word definitions, English learners practice vocabulary by reading it in context via sentences and dialogues. English learners also complete vocabulary matching and fill-in-the-blank exercises to check their vocabulary understanding. This book is organized into 3 different topics: At the Dentist, Shopping for Clothes, and The Importance for Mental Health, each of which has significant importance to English learners navigating everyday life in the United States of America. The first section, At the Dentist, empowers English learners with vocabulary, conversation, and comprehension activities. It is organized into 6 sections, including an introduction and 5 related subtopics: dental appointment, root canal, gingivitis, dental hygiene, and dental surgery. The introduction includes helpful descriptions of the topic, facts, and discussion questions to build upon personal knowledge and experiences related to dental visits and further dialogues and conversations with others. The second section, Shopping for Clothes, helps English learners with vocabulary, conversation, and comprehension. It is also organized into 6 sections, including an introduction and 5 related subtopics: buying a dress, buying a suit, buying jeans, buying a shirt, and buying a jacket. The introduction includes helpful descriptions of the topic, facts, and discussion questions to build upon personal knowledge and experiences related to shopping for clothes and further dialogues and conversations with others. The third section, The Importance of Mental Health, touches upon a sensitive yet critical subject for new arrivals in the United States and helps English learners with vocabulary, conversation, and comprehension. It is also organized into 6 sections, including an introduction and 5 related subtopics: how do you feel, how do you deal with stress, The benefits of having a positive attitude, feeling homesick, and dealing with depression. The introduction includes helpful descriptions of the topic, facts, and discussion questions to build upon personal knowledge and experiences related to mental health and further dialogues and conversations with others. In addition to this book currently available on Amazon, I offer topic-specific online articles with available translation, audio recordings, and multi-choice tests to help American English learners further build reading, listening comprehension, and pronunciation in American English. You are invited to visit our online resource page for this book at www.userreading.club/survivalenglish. Thank you for being part of today's podcast with Maestro Sersea, where English learners worldwide learn American English. Due to popular demand, we are now sharing educational podcasts 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. In the meanwhile, if you'd like to access a variety of educational offerings, feel free to visit our website at www.sersea.com. Learning American English takes discipline, motivation, and hard work. Keep up the good work.